Hey viewer, how are you all? Hope you all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is dedicated to complete health and wellness, and I will share different health and wellness related tips in this specific channel. You have got some idea from the title itself. Yes, it's all about polycystic ovaries syndrome, which is commonly called PCOS. I know this word sounds a little scary, but don't worry, I am going to share some natural ways to cure this syndrome. Syndrome and disease are two different things. The disease has specific symptoms and treatment. On the other hand, syndrome has a mix of symptoms. It could be genetic or it could come from an unknown reason that might not have any specific cause and effect. Basically, polycystic ovaries syndrome is an endocrine disorder that mainly affects women in their childbearing age. In simple terms, we can say women's hormones go out of balance. Research has shown that 1 out of 10 women face this issue in their childbearing age. When you have PCOS, your reproductive hormones are out of balance. This can lead to problems with your ovaries. A common symptom of PCOS includes irregular, infrequent periods, no period, infertility, weight gain, obesity, type 2 diabetes, acne, hair loss, excessive hair growth especially on the face, chest, and back. Each month, women's ovaries produce numerous follicles, and quite normal, and these follicles have to reach at least 18 mm in size in order to get mature. This process is known as ovulation. But in this case, it fails to reach an optimum size, so that ovulation does not occur, and women in their childbearing age find it difficult to get pregnant. You can able to manage these symptoms through some lifestyle changes and by taking some supplements, or you can opt for the Ayurveda approach. Do remember one thing, there is no specific treatment for this as it comes under syndrome, not the disease. Now let's discuss natural ways to cure or manage PCOS. This really works. First, you need to change your diet, which means go for a healthy diet. It is consistently important to have a decent eating routine. However, in the event that you have PCOS, you should be extra cautious with your eating regimen. Allow me to clarify why I have said this on the grounds that in the event that you have PCOS, there is a high possibility you will put on weight, and the second is insulin creation, type 2 diabetes. By having a healthy diet, you can manage your weight as well as insulin production. Numerous ladies with PCOS condition have insulin obstruction. Ladies with PCOS could foster diabetes or pre-diabetes before the age of 40. Diabetes is nothing but how the body deals with insulin production. So now you can imagine how crucial to have a healthy diet. Now let's discuss the PCOS diet. Add whole food. Consume whole food as much as you can. Whole foods are foods that are either not processed at all, or processed minimally. Examples include whole grains, legumes, fresh fruits, and fresh vegetables. Increase fiber intake. Include more fiber-rich foods in your diet, which helps to increase gut bacteria. Fiber can improve digestion. It is very helpful to lose weight, very effective for insulin resistance. Eat healthy protein and crab. It is very essential to eat crab and protein-rich food in your diet, but in moderation. Go for plant-based protein, which is considered to be very healthy, such as nuts, whole grains. Drink water. Drinking water plays an essential role in PCOS. Attempt to incorporate watery-based fruits like cucumber, berries, citrus food like orange. Drink at any rate 2 water each day. Apart from these foods, there are some supplements that are also very effective for PCOS. Increase your iron intake. In PCOS, some women face heavy bleeding issues, which may lead to anemia, which is nothing but iron deficiency. So try to include iron-rich food in your diet, such as spinach, egg, beans, beetroot, etc. Please note that don't take iron supplements without consulting a doctor, could create different kinds of health complications. Increase your magnesium intake. When you have PCOS, there is a chance you may have a magnesium deficiency. According to a study in gynecology endocrinology, this is concerning as magnesium has been shown to play a role in glucose, insulin, and blood pressure regulation. It also helps to relieve PMS, premenstrual syndrome. It also helps to calm your mind, which is commonly found with PCOS women, stress, anxiety. Cold liver oil. Cold liver very rich in omega-3 and fatty acid. It also contains vitamin D and A. It helps to regulate the menstrual cycle and will help to lose belly and waist fat. Inositol. It comes under the B vitamin. It helps to improve insulin resistance and also very helpful in infertility issues too. Calcium and vitamin D both are interrelated. If you do not have enough vitamin D in your body, then calcium absorption can't take place. If you have PCOS, then there is a high chance of deficiency of calcium and vitamin D. You need to take supplements. It will not only help in improve your irregular period but also help you to ovulate. Evening primrose oil. It has been used to help with period pain and irregular menstruation from ancient times. It can improve cholesterol levels and oxidative stress, commonly found in PCOS patients. Exercise is very important for maintaining good health. Exercise plays a vital role in order to manage PCOS effectively. Weight loss helps to boost the insulin sensitivity, lowering your risk for diabetes and health complication. Helps to regulate hormone, prevents heart-related diseases. Improves sleep quality, helps to lower cholesterol. Moderate exercise like walking, jogging, cycling or swimming, and do some cardio exercise too. These are all the perfect activities that can help to manage PCOS to a great extent. Don't go for vigorous exercise as it can disrupt your hormonal cycle. Apart from physical health, you need to also take care of your mental health. As I said before, stress, anxiety, and depression mainly found in PCOS patients due to hormonal fluctuation. In order to get rid of mental problems, I suggest you do yoga and pranayama for at least 30 minutes per day. It really works wonders. If you really want to lower your stress level, include yoga in your day-to-day life, make it a part of your life. Getting enough sleep and cutting caffeine also plays a vital role. You might have heard about the butterfly pose. This pose considered to be very beneficial for PCOS. It opens up the pelvic area and promotes relaxation of your system. Lie down on your back and try to relax. Pull your legs close together in a butterfly position. Malasana could strengthen the pelvic floor and abdominal core while opening the hips. It is very beneficial with PCOS by increasing circulation and blood flow to the pelvic region, improving metabolism, helps to increase digestion. Apart from these two asana, you do Kapalabhati every day at least for 10 minutes. I am not saying it will directly affect PCOS, but it is very helpful to calm your mind to a great extent. Ashwagandha. It is an Ayurvedic spice that has various medical advantages. For example, it assists with improving glucose, irritation, state of mind, memory, stress, and tension. It likewise assists with boosting muscle strength and fertility. Cinnamon. It is truly compelling for PCOS treatment. It regulates the hormone inside the body and assists with dealing with the menstrual cycles, helpful for insulin obstruction as well. You can consume cinnamon powder with water, or more than likely you can have cinnamon tea too. Turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric is known as curcumin. It helps to decrease insulin resistance and acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Green tea. Consumption of green tea has positive effects on weight loss, insulin resistance, and helps to decrease testosterone in obese women suffering from PCOS. Satavari. It is very effective for PCOS, helps to increase follicle size, development and ovulation. Basil. Tulsi. It is known as the queen of herbs. This leaf has numerous health benefits. In India we worship Tulsi. It considered a very holy leaf. It helps to reduce your blood sugar and prevent weight gain commonly seen in women with PCOS syndrome. I have attempted to cover all the necessary points best of my insight and experience. Prior to making any move, kindly do consult your gynecologist. That's all for today's video. Hope you find it informative. If yes, then please like, share and drop a comment in the comment section down. I would love to read your comments. Please do subscribe to Discover Wellness, which is nothing but my channel name, for more informative videos, and yes, press on the bell icon so when I will post a new video you will get notified immediately.